So today is the first editing tutorial on this channel, and today I'll be telling you that how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. This is the PC version, guys, so this can only be done on PC. I will make a mobile version soon if this video gets 15 thumbs up and uh, 20 or 10 comments. So guys, let's get into the video. Let's go. So guys, if you want to delete a channel which you created by consequences or by mistake, or you have second channel which you can't manage, you want to delete it. So if you want to delete it, all you have to do is to play Google, and after that go to YouTube, and then click on top right corner. You can see your channel profile picture there. Click on it, and after that go to add account, or if you already have added an account, click on it which you want to delete. So I will pick up Gag's account which I created for this tutorial to inform you guys how to do that. So they will ask a password which you know, only you know your password. So enter it, and after signing in you will be redirected to the home screen of YouTube. So wait for it to load, and after it is loaded, once again click on top right corner and you will see the profile picture of the channel. After that click on creator studios and wait for it to load, and then click on channel. You will see on left bottom, and after that click on advanced options and scroll all the way down and wait for it to come. Here it is. So scroll all the way down and click on delete channel and click on it, and they will ask your password for confirmation to confirm that you are deleting your own channel. Click next after entering your password and wait, and check mark the box and then click on confirm, delete your channel and enter your email, and successfully your channel has been deleted, guys. That was it for today's video, and smack a like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you will get notified when I upload, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you soon in my next video tomorrow. Until that, peace out.